So you may have noticed that Shiba Inu is doing something pretty weird right now. It's currently moving in the opposite direction of the market. While the whole market is moving up, Shiba Inu is going down. So there is a lot to uncover in this video, and we're going to be talking about everything that Shiba Inu has been going on, and basically what's happening with Shiba Inu. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So here we are on coinmarket.com, and if we just head down further on this list of coins, we can see Shiba Inu on number 11. Now if we just take a look at what Shiba Inu currently is doing, our price is currently at 40249. It is up 3.15% in the past hour, down 14.5% in just the past 24 hours, and also down almost 30% in the past 7 days. So it is moving pretty rough right now. We can see our chart doesn't look very pleasant over here. We have been moving down throughout the whole week, but that's not the only thing. There is something positive also going on in Shiba Inu right now. So we're going to be talking about that right now. Let's just take a quick overview of what has happened in the 7-day chart, so we don't waste too much time. So 403511 is where we started off the week, and our lowest was 402542. So there seems to be a lot of red action going on in Shiba Inu, but in the month, as we can see, it is still up 156%. Absolutely mind-blowing number. And if we just take a look at earlier this month, what it was doing, it had gone up all the way. Let's just take a look at the exact number. High at 4045. So more than 250% that it was up right here. 275%, something around there, is how high it did go within in the first couple of days of this month. And now let's head over to cryptonews.net to look at some articles about Shiba Inu. As you can see, there is a lot of positive things going in Shiba Inu also. So Shiba Inu skyrockets 602% as more whales dive into SHIB. Experts asset Shiba Inu will be the first meme coin to hit $100 billion market cap. Our market cap currently at around 14.6 billion, but this is a prediction by the experts. So 420 million of SHIB. Here's what's happening. So let's just take a look at one of these articles and let's see what's currently going on in Shiba Inu. So dog themed cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has recently witnessed a huge surge in the volume of the large transaction, netting in almost $500 million. According to Into Block data, Shiba Inu is reportedly remarkable $420.11 million in large transaction volume, estimating the total amount transacted by the crypto whales on a given day. So basically there is some whale activity going on within Shiba Inu right now. So a lot going on. At the time of writing, Shiba Inu was down 1.5 in the last 24 hours. 13% drop. So it seems to be having red days currently, but it will revive very soon. So let's take a look at this prediction real quick. Crypto investor Jake Regains has reiterated his conviction that Shiba Inu will be the first meme coin to attain $100 billion market cap. So it currently soared past the 20 billion dollar market cap. We are back from that down to about 14.7 billion, but let's see if this could turn out to be true based on these predictions right here. If you want to read more, you could head over to cryptonews.net and check out these articles that I'm looking at right now. And basically there's a lot of burning going on. Let's take a look at the skyrocket news. Shiba is seeing a huge surge in large holders net flow, which provides an idea of the change in positions of whales and investors. So whales are switching positions currently, and there seems to be a new news coming soon. Also, let's just take a look at what's going on with the news articles of Shiba Inu. Basically, predictions, we can see absolutely crazy prediction. We see that there is currently a dip going on right now, and basically everything is currently down, but it will be back up very soon based on these whale activity going on. A lot of speculations about any new recent price targets and any recent new predictions. So that was about it. For this video, guys. In this video, we talked about basically what's happening with Shiba Inu. It is currently down a lot, but there is some hints that are hinting us that Shiba Inu will likely be back soon in huge soaring prices and absolutely crazy numbers, because there is some whale activity going on and a lot of new predictions are coming in. So that is a good sign for Shiba Inu in the very near future. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live stream on this channel. I do talking about any recent crypto updates that has happened in the crypto market and basically any recent price changes. So do make sure to check out that daily update, and also check out my daily long form content like this on this channel. So talking about any recent crypto changes or any new soaring cryptocurrency. So do make sure to check out that also. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what other content you guys want to see, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.